Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing you how to solve equation with find all resolution x power 9 plus x power 6 equal 36 and find the value of 8. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it all this, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, look our equation. Here is x power 9. So here is can be y is x power 3 whole to power 3. And here is x power 6. So here is can be right is x power 3 whole square. And it's equal 36. And look now, here is x power 3 and here is x power 3. So I let is m equal x power 3. And so now our equation can be y is m power 3 plus m squared equal 36. And then we change 36 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we get m power 3 and plus m squared minus 36 equal 0. Okay, now it is a cubic equation. So to solve this, we must factor of this. So now I can be write m power 3 and negative 36 can be write negative 27. And plus here is m squared minus 9 equals 0. Look, here is negative 27 and here is negative 9. So if we adding it, we get negative 36. And here is m power 3 and minus 27 can be write is 3 power 3 and plus m squared minus 9 can be write 3 squared equals 0. And here is we use the formulas m power 3 minus 3 power 3, so we get m minus 3 and times m squared plus m times 3 and plus 3 squared. And here is we get m minus 3 and times m plus 3 equal 0. Look, here is m minus 3 and here is m minus 3. So we factorize this. We get m minus 3. Okay, and here is m squared plus 3m and plus 9 plus we take m minus 3 out, so we get m and plus 3 equals 0. So our equation can be write m minus 3 and times m squared and plus 3m plus m, we get 4m. And plus 9 plus 3 equal 12 equals 0. So now we have two factors equal 0 and the right hand side is 0. So now we get this equal 0 and here is equal 0. So we get m minus 3 equal 0. And here is m squared plus 4m and plus 12 equals 0. 4 is We take 3 to the right hand side. So we get this m equal 3. And we know that we let m equal h power 3. So here is, we replace m by h power 3. So we get h power 3 equal 3. And we get the values of h. Then we get the cube root both sides of this equation. So we simplify cube root with cube. We get h equal cube root of 3. Okay. And for here is a quadratic equation. So I use discriminant with this equal b squared minus 4ac, and it's equal that b equal 4. We get 4 squared minus 4 times 1 and times 12. So it's equal 4 squared equals 16, and minus 4 times 12 we get 48, and it's equal negative 32. So it's negative is no real solution. Okay. So now we have only one root, h equal cube root of 3. So now there's h equal cube root of 3 is our answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye. See you next video.